So welcome back to Created to Store. In today's video we're going to show you on how we make our walnut stains for the hand-woven baskets for graceful knots and weaves. So we hope that you enjoy watching the video as much as we enjoy making the stain. So today we're doing walnut stain from the walnuts my nephews have picked 3 of these totes full of them. So we can make some really nice, good walnut stain. Pure walnut. I'm expecting this tote full to make 10 gallons of stain. So now I fill them up with water. Something that I have discovered, if I don't fill them all the way up, it speeds the process up a little bit. I need it to be darkened. I'm looking for it to be as dark as these baskets. These are the baskets. I'm planning on to, I need to finish the top yet, but then to stain them after they're finished. These baskets are ready to be stained. So I've just put this in, this first bucket I did just a little bit ago. And it already is starting to darken it a little bit. So I'm going to give it 2 hours and come back and check it and see the results. As for now, put the lids on top, keep the bugs out of it. Speeding up the process. Oh yeah, it's already darker.
That's dark.
Yeah, I'm hoping here was an hour. Screen is all out. Okay, so this is basically 15 minutes. Been in here for 15 minutes. Yep.
That's dark though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's already darker than what I prefer it to be. But
So
we can always add water.
I was going to say, do you add water now?
No.
How come?
I get more out of the walnuts because what happens to it, they just float up.
Oh.
See the other batches that we've done, that's what I done too. I didn't put as much water in,
Okay.
then I added water after.
Okay. Yeah, that's nice there. I like it dark though, like that.
Yeah.
$6.99 a pound. Like, yes, those will be good in smoothies. You about got me.
I don't know what was in here, but it don't smell bad. I feel like this just turns right in there and that pops out. Like the thread. 3/4 inch thread.
Oh, are you going to tip it on the side? Oh, I was thinking you just drill a hole in the bottom and attach that thing, but I'm not sure how. I got
see. Never done this before. But I feel like I can drill a hole in there. Or I don't know if I, yep. If I just turn it enough where it just pops right out of there.
You might have to cut it out and then turn it in.
Yep, there it started. Uh-huh.
Can you take a knife?
I probably could. But I feel like that's what it's designed to do.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. There it is. That's how you do that.
Would you need to put some Teflon or something like that in?
I don't think so because it's plastic.
It's plastic, yeah.
Yep, now it turns easy. Easier. Oh yeah. Nice. Checking it 40 minutes later. Wow. Before and after. Wow. Say that's awful close. Thank you, Lord. Man, looks good. Hour and a half later. Wow. Nice. Looking good. The nice thing about it is when it's a little bit darker than what I'd like it to be, I'll just add some water. Doing this to get X-ray screening.
Each bucket.
I'll come back later and get that once I have buckets.
Oh, Disney was awful.
I estimated I approximately got a carrot, like 44 gallons I think it was, of water.
No. Oh, we had the lid before this. How many more we got to go?
No, we're about halfway.
Wow.
Yeah, probably a little over half.
So, was it Dad that was saying? Dad came home for lunch, putting the mini split in over at the laundromat in Trenton. He said that thing's just busy. I was like, we've talked about investing in a laundromat.
We're looking approximately right at 25 gallons of stain.